So just a quick chat about this MSR Pocket Rocket 2. Really like it. It's a lovely little stove, a lot better than that Coleman Fyrelite that I had. Plus it collapses into this tiny little pot. Yeah, really like it, very powerful. One of the things I do like about these Pocket Rocket stoves is they don't have to boil water pretty quick because the flame's right underneath it.
The flame's right underneath it?
It's, you know, literally right under the centre of your cup. It's not like it's licking around the side and you're losing it, you know, losing the heat. The only thing you do have to watch for is if you're cooking on a big pan, like when I was using this, I'll show you some of the footage, but it does actually cook in the middle first because the flame is very directed in the middle, so it's just something to be aware of when you're using something like this with a slightly bigger pan. And of course, another really cool aspect of this stove, this is a 750ml cup. Pretty cool, huh? If you've liked this little field review, please give the video a thumbs up. If you don't like it, give it a thumbs down. If you like what I'm doing, please subscribe to the channel. Click that little bell notification too. It costs you nothing. It just means when you open up YouTube, you get a notification to say that I've uploaded another video. Hope you're all well. Thank you so much for watching. Cheerio. Okay, homeward bound.